Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this shoe storage unit that I just put together. And my initial reaction after assembling it is that this thing is awesome. And one of the best features, I think the best feature on this is the back panels. There's about 8 back panels, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth on the back that are actually screwed in to the back. So this is actually a manufactured or engineered wood, and it's really thick actually, right? So if I go to the back here, you can see that they are all screwed in. Usually it is a very small, very thin sheet, but this one is actually pretty thick. And what that does is make this entire unit that much stronger, right? So if you put some shoes on here and it pushes it, it's not going to end up punching it all the way out. Now, another advantage to this actually comes from if you plan on disassembling it at some point. So let's say, for example, maybe you're moving and you need to disassemble it. Typically, these cabinets, storage units, bookcases, things of that nature, these are usually nailed in. And when they're nailed in, it's very hard to take them out. If you want to disassemble it, you actually have to probably punch it out, and it might end up breaking it. But with these ones, all you have to do is just screw them out, and then they come off. And so it just makes the entire piece just that much more high quality looking. It makes it easier to disassemble. Now, there are 8 shelves for you to store things on it, and these are all adjustable, right? These are adjustable all the way up until very bottom one right here is also adjustable as well. The storage unit also comes with plastic feet that are underneath this, so it actually makes it pretty easy to move, so you can slide it around and not damage your floors. And yeah, it's just a really nice color. Overall, I think it's a really nice piece. I highly recommend it. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.